Hi, this is Dr. Rana Mahmood, and my today's topic is Ivanka called Donald Trump a people's president. She's an American businesswoman, the oldest daughter of President Trump, and serving as advisor to President since 2017. She introduced her father very proudly by saying him a people's president during her speech at the occasion of Republican National Convention on Thursday night. She told him, I love you for being real, and you are the defender of common sense and the voice for forgotten American people. For me, she just looked like a little Pakistani emotional daughter who was smiling a lot, and she was praising her father's achievement with thrill. Her face was glowing with excitement, and her blonde hair was blowing in the air. She wanted to show the humanized face of Trump to America, so she was saying all good things about him. In the beginning of her speech, she extended her sympathies and support to the affected of Hurricane Laura. And she realized the fact and said, my dad's communication style and sense of humor is not to everyone's taste, but the result of his policies speak for themselves. She also wanted to change the mind and hearts of Americans by saying Washington has not changed Donald Trump. Donald Trump has changed Washington, and he came to Washington to make America great again. And he is going to keep fighting for 4 more years as warrior. And now I will discuss that part of her speech which interests me the most later on in my video. Here I will highlight some issues which she mentioned in her speech and how President Trump tackled those issues. Like she mentioned all those failed policies by previous leaders taken on by President. Just weeks ago, he rewrote history by making peace in the Middle East, and it is the biggest breakthrough in quarter century. She mentioned the Wisconsin's farmers issues and how President resolved that. He cut the cost of prescribed medicines. As a result, the pharmaceutical owners are unhappy with him and about the Biden law and other tax issues. Ivanka is the advocate of women's rights, paid maternity leave for women, and for them flexible hours. And because of their efforts, last year, women secured 70% of jobs, and all 72% of new jobs went to those Americans who were outside the jobs. She also mentioned those emotional private moments between father and daughter behind the closed doors when she saw and feel the pain in Trump's eyes when he heard about healthcare workers and the updates and deaths of pandemic victims. And also she mentioned how President Trump granted clemency to Alice Johnson, and she spent her 22 years of her life sentence in prison. And when she was coming out from the prison and meeting her family members, Trump told to Ivanka, imagine how many more people are facing injustice in silence. And when I heard that part of her speech, I convinced that President Trump is the most human. When Ivanka told that he signed into a bill 9 pieces of legislation to combat against evil of human trafficking, to protect the most vulnerable. So at this point, I am requesting very humbly to the President of USA, please take immediate action against that human trafficker who lives in New York, and because of him my life is in constant danger. I'm living underground since last so many years because he threatened me from police and by the Interpol. I even can't go for job and can't go to see any doctor or to any human right organization because I refused to join his sexual business, and he is giving me punishment by not letting me live my life. I mentioned his whereabouts in my book. It's a memoir, The Courage to Say No. I am sure every American citizen knows the well-known phrase of the Declaration of Independence of the United States: life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. But that human trafficker, who is very influential, filthy rich, but his heart is very cruel, he is not allowing me to live my life with liberty and live my life with pursuit of happiness. As an American citizen, I have all these rights, but he has taken all my rights, and I am requesting again from President Trump and Ivanka Trump to please see this matter. Thank you so much.